Welcome, Joseph. Welcome to Asia Engineers Forum.
I want to become an industry-ready process engineer.
Joseph, you will be learning on below topics: history of machines, types of CNC turning machines, parts made by different turning machines, difference between CNC lathe and manual lathe, machine components, spindle, turret, chuck, collet, soft jaws, coolant, power rating. Objective type questions for these topics. Key performance indicators for these topics. Joseph, you will be learning on below topics: title block, projection symbol, revision block, tolerance table, general tolerances, material, heat treatment, surface coating notes, GD&T symbols, flatness, perpendicularity, circularity, runout, position, datums and feature control frames, surface finish interpretation. Objective type questions on these topics. Key performance indicators on these topics. Joseph, welcome to the world of the production shop floor. The moment you entered, you might feel amazed. The rhythmic sound of machines, the smell of coolant, and the sight of shining components being machined all around you. Engineering is not just theory, there is a clear gap between classroom knowledge and real shop floor practices. Joseph, you will learn on below topics: 3-jaw chuck, 4-jaw chuck, collet chuck, soft jaw boring, mandrels, steady rests. Objective type questions on these topics. Key performance indicators on these topics. Joseph, you will learn on these topics: insert shapes, CNMG, DNMG, VBMT, chip breakers and chip control. Approach, lead angle, KR, importance. Insert grade and coating. Insert radius selection. Objective type questions on these topics. Key performance indicators on these topics. Joseph, you will learn on these below topics: different types of turning, facing, grooving, parting, threading holders, right hand tool, left hand insert rule, boring bars, dampened bars, long overhang, LD ratio, multi-operation tools. Objective type questions on these topics. Key performance indicators on these topics.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest content. You can purchase the book on Amazon and Flipkart, accessible in India and abroad.